Hi Indra, what's up?
I'm fine, Modi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, can
Good.
we start today's session?
Yeah, I'm very excited about today's session, Modi. So I have few questions.
Yeah, sure.
So I will
Let's
start
discuss
with the
that one first.
question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we will start with 5 questions. So, Modi, will you be ready to answer my questions?
I'm not sure, but let's try.
Sure. Okay, so here it is.
Okay.
So, do you know that there are a lot of record types in NetSuite? Yes. Shall I help you?
Yeah, sure. I need your.
No problem, Modi. See, the records, what I'm saying is it can be a customer record. Okay.
Okay.
It can be a vendor record.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Customer and vendor.
Mm.
That's easy to remember, right?
Mm.
You have partner records. Partners,
Yeah.
right? Partners, you remember, right?
Yeah.
Ship to party, bill to party, partners are, okay?
Mm.
You have employees also as a record, right?
Mm.
And the last one is competitors. So these are all the record types.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Modi, I want to know which of these record types support the multi-currency features in NetSuite. So, can you go to vendors and check
Yeah,
first?
let's check that.
For vendors,
For
what is the path?
so the navigation for creating a vendor or see the form which we use to create the vendors for that list. For your information, I'm logged in as an administrator. This is my test account. So list relationship vendors new.
So, can we check, does this support multi-currency feature?
Yeah, sure. It may be probably under financial subtab.
Yeah, because currency is something related to money.
Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay, you're okay.
There is one primary currency field over here, but it's not a multi-select one. We can select only one
Okay,
over
you
here.
can just select only one. Okay.
But we can provide
And
different currencies over here. See, it supports multi-currencies.
okay, so
So from this, we confirm that vendor can have multiple currencies supported.
yeah, so
Let's
perfect.
see
Can I
that.
go to the next one?
Yeah, the next one is employees, right? So this is employee creation page, and if we go to I guess
I don't think so, Modi.
Yeah.
Why would an employee? I think maximum employee would do a expense, and he would definitely do a.
Yeah.
I mean, so I don't think he will have.
multiple
And if
currency
you see the
support.
currency button, yeah, I don't think he will have multi. Can you see the currency button here? Can you click
Yeah.
on this? Yeah. What's to
So the currency for an employee automatically defaults to the base currency of its associated subsidiary or company. So here itself it's said that the currency will be auto-populated according to subsidiary which we will be providing. So the employee record won't support multiple currencies. Yeah, here we can provide multiple
currencies? I think that's the answer. So,
So
you know what?
Our answer
Modi?
is clients, that means customers as well as vendors.
Mhm.
These both records
Vendors, yes.
supports multiple currencies.
Multi-currency.
Yeah.
But also tell me, Modi, employees, partners, and competitors. Why don't they support multi-currency feature? Employees, partners, and competitors. There are like third persons.
Okay.
Vendors and customers are actually inside the business.
Yeah.
They're a part of our business, right?
Yeah.
Vendors are a part of our business. So customers are part of the sales. Vendors are a part of the business. But whereas employees, they generally have only an expense report or something like that. Whereas you have some partners and competitors. If you want, why do you need a multi-currency for a competitor? So these are all third parties, third persons.
Yeah.
People like vendor and a customer are the ones who support a multi-currency feature. Extraordinary, Modi. Thank you so much. So
Yeah.
I'll go with the second question for you.
Okay.
So do you know, like, that we can manage inventory in various locations, right?
Yeah.
We can manage
Multi-locations
inventory.
feature. Yeah, NetSuite
Yeah,
support
yeah.
that feature. I think it is called a multi-location feature.
Can you show me?
Yeah,
So I
sure.
want
We
to
can
know
enable that
which feature. Oh.
by going to enable features.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So, and maybe under items and inventory.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one, like multi-location inventory. Location inventory.
Multi-location inventory.
Check this box to track and distribute inventory for multiple warehouses or location. So this feature enables a user to have same inventory to be stored in different locations. Yeah.
That is okay. Same inventory in different locations.
Yeah.
Why I was asking about advanced inventory management is if you enable this feature, advanced inventory, it will forecast which demand is there for what item and it will adjust your quantity. So that feature, if you want, then you go for it. Just that I wanted to make you understand that since you have already gone to that system, I wanted to understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Indira.
Okay. Then wanted to go for, okay. Do you know that the primary classification used to organize records?
To organize records, like locations, that one, right?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, locations, subsidiaries, yeah, departments, maybe classes.
Yeah, department class locations are the like primary classification to organize the records, especially in the NetSuite.
That one is also mentioned over here in the enable features, also under classifications, department locations, classes
and classes. Exactly. So if you remember, you said subsidiary just a minute ago. It is not subsidiary. Okay, it is the primary classification. Here, please understand every word. Yeah. So it is classification. I use the word classification.
Right.
And it is primary classifications are department, class, and locations. It is not subsidiary.
Okay.
I hope that's kind of clear for you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So, so do you know about, now that you earlier spoke about subsidiary, so can you talk or let me know if there is a step to disable the multi-subsidiary custom feature?
So we need to disable the multi-subsidiary feature.
First, let us do one thing. Let us show our subscribers where exactly is the multi-subsidiary customer feature.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, this one, multi-subsidiary.
Perfect. So what does that do? Can you go and read it out for me?
So in NetSuite One World, assign one primary subsidiary and multiple subsidiaries to a customer, sub-customer record or list. So NetSuite One World is one necessary environment where we can have multiple subsidiaries, like people from multiple subsidiaries will get access into NetSuite. That's a platform where that's One World. So if we are using a One World NetSuite account, then we can have multiple subsidiary features enabled. So that one customer record can have multiple subsidiaries. That means the same customer can be used across the subsidiaries.
Okay, so if I am a customer of India, then I can be a customer for America also. So you mean if I'm having multi-subsidiary customer, so if this feature is for multi-subsidiary customer feature, yeah? So you mean that once if I enable this feature, the customer will be shared among multi-subsidiaries. Simple. So now that if you enable this feature, now you told me what we have to do. So do you know if there is a need that I have to disable this multi-subsidiary customer feature, what I'm supposed to do?
So that one is shown over here also. You cannot enable multi-subsidiary customer feature because consolidated payment feature is enabled. It's kind of a paid one, or we can call it, this feature can be called like that. So if we want to enable the multi-subsidiary customer feature, then we need to disable the consolidated payment feature also. So for disabling consolidated payments, we can go to Yeah, this one.
So you need to, okay,
Then only we can enable.
you need to enable the, but I'm asking
multi-subsidiary.
to, excellent, I got it. So if I have to enable multi-subsidiary customer, then I need to disable the
Okay.
consolidated payment.
Now
Fine. But
I
my
got
question here is,
Now I got
now you have to disable it. But
Okay.
imagine there are certain customers like
I
that.
have
So
already
I will
created.
give you an answer.
Okay.
Yeah, you have. I'll give you a question, Modi. Should I set only one primary subsidiary and only one secondary subsidiary in a customer record? Should I do that?
I think we may need to delete all the secondary subsidiary that we have provided to that customer, and we may need to delete all transactions that have been made like that.
Okay, it's simply that you are saying like delete all the transactions related to the customer who are having the secondary
yes, right. Then only
subsidiary.
we may need to delete.
So the transactions have been deleted. So can we inactive the customer records with multiple transactions on different subsidiary?
I need your opinion on that.
Okay. So do you think there is a way that you can inactive a customer record with
we
multiple
can
transactions? Or do you think, or is it good that we reverse or delete all transactions?
That may according to the company's policies. Like if the company don't want to delete the transactions and keep the way it was, like then we can inactivate the customer. If that's not the case, like it's not necessary to have those transactions to be stored the way it was, like then we can delete or reverse the transactions and disable this feature.
Okay, I got what you're trying to say. But here I wanted to correct you, few things about your understanding. So again, I'll explain what I was asking. So what are the steps that you simply need to disable the multi-subsidiary customer feature was my question. So first thing I asked you, can we actually inactive customer records? Okay, with multiple transactions on different subsidiaries. So what you mean is there are different kind of transactions, and can you just make the customer records inactive? So making those customer records inactive is not the solution. So you can either reverse or you can delete all the transactions that are related to customers and that secondary subsidiary. You can reverse. That's the answer. Yes, you can delete.
Yeah.
Not inactive.
Now I got it.
Okay. Now you can remove just that secondary subsidiary from the customer records. That is also simple, right? Go to the customer, remove that secondary subsidiary from the customer record. It is also much easier, right?
Yeah. Right.
Go to the customer record, remove that. So the customer is no more associated to maybe the secondary subsidiaries of America. It's fine.
Okay.
And if that is the case, then as I said, go and delete all the transactions that are associated with America. Fine, done. You don't have to do these inactive customer record thingy, and you don't have to set one primary subsidiary to one secondary subsidiary in a customer record. All that is not needed. Just delete it, remove it. And I said I don't need it. Why do you have to keep it? You got it.
Okay, got it.
Excuse me. Okay, so thank you so much for today, and this is the last question for you, Modi.
Okay.
So you let's see how well you are going to explain this. Yeah.